Okay, for that we will create first of all a function named as swap, which will accept two integer variables. Okay. For this case we will not need any third variable here. We will just accept the values of a and b, print their values before swapping, and then call this function. What's the name? Swap with values of a and b. Is there any problem? Is there any problem? Yes? Yes, we are going to define that. We are going to define that. So the value of a will be in will be in x, the value of b will be in y. What I am going to do, I will put x into z, then y into x, and then z into y. Okay. Now I think that the function should work. The program should work. It does not returning anything. We are just going to change the values only. 10, 20. Before swapping a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. After swapping a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Is the swapping done? No, the swapping is not working. Okay, let's see. Let's see by printing the value of x and y whether the x and y are interchanging or not. Okay. So for that I am again after swapping x is equal to %d, y is equal to %d, then x comma y. In the same statement sorry, not x, x and y. ठीक. Now let's run this program. 10, 20. If you see, before swapping a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Before swapping x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. So the value of a is coming in x and value of b is coming in y. Okay. After that we have done the swapping. So after swapping x is equal to 20, y is equal to 10. You can see that the value of x and y is interchanging. But after swapping a still remains 10 and b still remains 20. That means the x and y are interchanging their values while a and b are not. And what is happening here, to let you understand this, let me first tell you how many types of parameters are there. There are basically two types of parameter. The first type of parameter is the parameter which you pass while calling the function. So the parameters which you are going to pass while calling the functions are known as actual parameters. What are their name? Actual parameters. They are the real parameters. And the parameters which you have passed or which you have written while defining the function are known as formal parameters. So there are basically two types of parameters, actual parameters and formal parameters. Actual parameters are those parameters which are passed while calling the function, and formal parameters are those parameters which are given while defining the function. Is it clear to you? Actual and formal parameters. So while we are calling a function, we can call it by two ways. Write it down. while we are calling a function, we can call it in two ways. The first is known as, पहला तरीका है call by value. इसके बारे में लिखिए. In this method, the values of actual parameters is passed to is copied to the formal parameters. पास कीजिएगा, कॉपीड कीजिएगा, is copied to the formal parameters. And any change being made in the formal parameters does not reflect the actual parameters. So what I have defined here, मैंने यहां पे ये बताया है कि there are two ways to call a function. The first way is call by value. So while we are making the function call by value, in that case the value of the actual parameter is copied to the formal parameters. So whatsoever the actual parameter is containing, it will copy that value to the formal parameter. It will contain that value in itself. Actual parameter will contain that value in itself, and it will copy that value to the formal parameter. It will not be omitted from the actual parameter. It will remain in the actual parameter, and the copy of that value will be remain in the formal parameter. And any change, this last line, any change being made in the फॉर्मल पैरामीटर डज नॉट रिफ्लेक्ट द एक्चुअल पैरामीटर. और अगर आपने फॉर्मल पैरामीटर में कोई भी चेंज किया तो एक्चुअल पैरामीटर में वो चेंजेस नहीं आएंगे. दिस वे ऑफ कॉलिंग इज नोन एज कॉल बाय वैल्यू. और जो आपने अभी किया वो वही है. अब देखिए क्या हो रहा है यहां पर. वाई वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द करेक्ट आउटपुट.